When we release a new version of Pebble Geo, we usually release a new version of the Excel data entry template. This means that if you have existing projects as Excel workbooks that are based on older versions of the template, you might see a message when you load them into Pebble Geo to warn you that a new version is available. Let's load an old workbook and see how that looks. The message will give you some information about what's happened. Pebble Geo has detected that the XLSX file loaded is from an older version of the Pebble Geo data entry template. In this case, I have version 1.7 installed, but my workbook comes from version 1.5. Please don't worry, this isn't a problem, and there's no need to actually do anything if you simply wish to load the project and work on it. I can just click OK. Pebble Geo ensures backwards compatibility with older versions of the Excel template, so you don't need to do anything if you don't want to. However, what you might find is that with new versions of the template, additional fields and sheets have been added that you might wish to take advantage of. Pebble Geo makes it simple to upgrade your older workbooks to the latest version of the Pebble Geo data entry template. Head to the main menu in the top right. With the Excel data loaded, click Export Convert, and when prompted to choose a format, choose Excel. It's a good idea when doing this to save to a new version of the XLSX file rather than overwriting the old one, just in case anything goes wrong. Click OK. Give the file a name. Click Save. Pebble Geo will process the data into a new worksheet, and it will then prompt you to reload the new sheet into Pebble Geo. This is useful just to confirm that things have worked as expected. You can see here we're now in version 1.7 of the template, and the data is pulled across successfully.